How to enroll for admissions in 11th State Board. Part 1. Visit www.11thadmission.org.in. Choose region to apply. Proceed to student registration. Select applicant's 10th school area. Select applicant's status as fresher. Select your 10th standard examination board. Enter your 10th standard details as asked above. After verifying details, click on the above button. Take a screenshot or print the application form /login ID for further reference. Proceed to login. Sign in using the created credentials. Fill the requested information as asked. Submit the requested documents in format specified, each not exceeding 1 MB in size. Complete the payment for admission processing fees using the provided method. Review all the details carefully before finalizing the application. You have the option to edit details. After checking the information, click on Declaration button and lock the application. Click on Confirm to lock the application. Print or save the application form for future reference.